What is going on, everybody? We got swamp trout.
Hello.
And today we're going catfishing. It's Kelly out there on the pier. And yeah, we're gonna see how it goes. I mean, we got some chicken titty, we got some crawlers, we got some other shit, but yeah, look here, we're trying out a new it's a panko breadcrumb corn, couple other things mixture. It's
made with the sweet and sour breadcrumbs.
All right, you heard it from the man himself. So yeah, we're gonna try to use this to catch some carp because they're fun and we love to catch carp. But yeah, hopefully we can get it done. Stay tuned. All right, so what I have here in this bag, this is chicken breast. And I'll say it since everyone on YouTube already fucking knows anyway. Red Kool-Aid. And you just throw it out there. I got like a 5/0 octopus hook, and yeah, works. Seems to do pretty good for the channel cats. So, all right, little update for everyone at home who is stuck at home due to the COVID-19 outbreak. I'm here at another new location because we just happened to get skunked in our first location. So now here we are. And this time, we got Big J.
Which one was it?
Nice cast, swamp trout.
That was that one. I think that was good. I don't need to check my work.
So yeah, we're gonna see how it goes. No, that was a take.
Yeah, it was a take because I heard it clicked. Did you hear the thick smack on the pole? Yeah, the thing the whole thing that he had in there. He's got one.
Is he on there?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Nice. He's not putting a very big bend in your eye. What is that? Chicken titty?
Yeah.
Is it? Definitely a catfish.
It seems fairly decent, maybe 4 pounds.
What do you got on there?
Catfish. It was a chicken breast with red Kool-Aid on it.
It'll be a catfish.
Yep, definitely a cat. Wait, pike!
Pike, don't see that?
Pike!
Now you know.
What do you think about that?
Now you know.
Pike on a chicken breast with red Kool-Aid.
It was here. That's what
Okay.
It really looked like a cat when it was coming up.
Dad, you're like, see, I'm not lying. That's what they are.
Hold them up, let's see. Nice.
Yeah.
On a chicken breast dyed in Kool-Aid.
That got bit.
It could even have been a turtle.
That's a bigger pike. Yep.
That's crazy on a chicken breast.
That's good.
I've heard of it happening.
They're looking for food.
Yeah, he just came and picked that right off the bottom. That's cool.
Jesus.
I didn't see that one coming.
Over here, all of this in the flat. All right? In the springtime,
He really ate that shit, huh?
Yeah.
in here for food. As soon as you get warm,
Hold him up one last time for the camera. Nice little snake pike on chicken breast. He's got a demented old tail. Look at that. Ooh.
James, you see my little snake?
I like them.
Adios.
Bye-bye, buddy.
There he goes.
away he goes.
Nice. Alright, there's something on. Is it not on there? Is it on there? You got him? On the chicken titty again? Yeah, it seems looks like some fucking. Feel like it's rolling? Or is it head shakes?
How are we looking on this line? Oh, there's no rod there?
Wait a second. Did he move that rod?
Hopefully.
Dude, I hope he did. Did Nick move the rod off the pier? If he didn't, it's gone. Oh no. Oh no. Bite alarm is gone, dude.
Maybe he moved it.
I hope so, dude, because if not.
That bite alarm didn't work if it fucking...
Oh no. I'm right behind you.
There's a dirty little channel cat. Nice.
He's gonna be pissed.
Finally found a dirty little channel cat. He's gonna be even more pissed if his rod's actually in the water.
That's why I'm saying he's gonna be pissed. That rod was there.
You want pliers? No, you got it. Look at that. Hold him up. We gotta get a good look at him here on the camera. Look at that. A little baby channel. There it is. I just walked over and I seen the rod bouncing.
Not in the water at all.
I fucking hope not. I'm about to go check. He might have got his rod taken in the water. Alright, what's going on, everybody? We just caught a carp. Here, can you hold the camera and the light at the same time? I want to show this dirty little carp to the camera. If you want to scoop him up. Alright, can you see? Alright. There we got a little common carp. Just caught a little channel cat too. I wasn't filming when I picked it up. This thing literally almost took my rod in the water, just like everyone's saying, but you know what? Got him without losing my rod, so. Alright. Yeah, here, shine that light close down here too. Can you see what's going on? Yeah. Alright, here we go. Look at the release on this carp. Oh, there he goes. Alright. Oh my god. Well, what's going on, everybody? We fucking went out there and did our best here. And we caught a catfish, one carp, pike, but my buddy Nick here, old swamp trout, he actually went out there the next few days after that and he caught like, what was it, 10? 12 pike? All on the chicken breast with red Kool-Aid. Fucking crazy, but
28 or 27 inches. It's the biggest one.
27-inch pike on a fucking chicken breast chunk. Well, so I hope you enjoy. If you did, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a good one.